And sure enough, the first day I went home, I did step up. And I
preventing.
Hey, good.
Oh.
Had a time in China, that was alright.
15-year-olds went in that.
Me too.
Oh, Mum, we're running out of room.
Not traditional, right?
That's strange cheese, isn't it?
Rubbish. Oh, the delivery man. Isn't he beautiful? Oh, look at him sit. Well trained dog.
Moves, eh?
And you made him a lead?
Yep.
Did you do all that? What buzzer? And they said, oh, it's full of goodness knows
They
what.
just said, right, you go
I think that's Uncle Mark. What a...
We were not supposed to be having any presents.
Oh. How do you mean fussy? Jockeys? Oh, thank you, isn't he?
There was a J and an M, isn't there, Josh?
Yeah.
Josh out of my bed.
Oh,
Comes a bit split through the tongue.
and you did all this?
Brushy tongue.
On the plane. Yes.
And
He
Mitchell
did
made
it.
some the other day with
I love this one.
Hey, that'll cost you 50 cents. So you still working, Peter?
but no, he's given up the
Stop,
That's
please.
pretty good.
He's given up the writing.
2 cents.
Cake please!
Wash your hands pretty
You want cake
later.
please?
You play with the dog.
Oh my God,
Very good. Good shot, Mitchell. Oh!
You have to run!
You have to run!
Hello.
Various nasturtiums. Plenty of theirs. Nearly ripe. Colour this year, we've had a lot of rain. It's the first time this glorious hawk very good actually.
That one that Mitchell's got.
I know, dog. I can't see.
You got.
Now, Mitchell can
So long as Mitchell doesn't walk in front of you, you're
Of the swimming pool brilliantly. Look at that.
Yeah.
Okay, you're going to do a flip now? Good. He's made it. Well done. Day out at golf here, a 12-hole golf course. Look at that. Oh. There's Glenn going for his par.
Yeah, right for the tree.
Yeah. And away they go. Is it on? Nearly. He's hit. Oh! Bad luck. Mitchell was going for a par then, but he just missed. Setting off. Ah, farewell. Some people have to work, unfortunately.
See you, mate. Okay, you be good. You be good. You be good.
Whoever else?
Yep.
John Barry or any of the blokes you see?
Yeah, right. Just be careful getting on the road.
Don't you make a big splash, Joanna, you might.
Sleeping like that.
Yeah, we'll dive into here then.
Wow. When he's diving, his eyes hurt.
Mario, you don't let me.
Your chin doesn't sag. Actually, God, it looks like you. Oh.
I just didn't want to bring
No,
anything
you
else down. I
still
thought
can't
by the
use
time
it.
there's an orange tree growing through it.
Yes,
That,
orange.
that looks pretty nice. I'll just bring a bit of milk out and make tea and coffee.
Helping me here in this rehearsal on my associate choreography.
Ryan?
Give me your bowl and I'll put some noodles into it.
That lovely smoky flavour of it. Japanese flavour.
John gets a spoon.
Because
It's
I've had it
very,
before.
Oh, they have had it.
very hot.
There's the bellbirds. It's your tent. I'll be giving them a hand in a minute or two. Kindling soon. They're getting the fire ready.
Are we right through? Are we pretty well?
So we'll get the fire going. And the sun's coming out now, that's good.
On the other side, maybe, Josh. I've got one problem with that. You've got to sort of hit it. Like it down. So when you've done the other thing.
No, but also you can see other one.
First sighting of a bowerbird 4 or 5 years ago. Yeah. Where Mark and I had a swim a long time ago. Tell Joshua, very disappointing when they do that.
Let's go like further.
Lovely spot.
Oh.
Mitchell. Can you get a photo of him?
He's been.
It's okay to get beauty like that, but just don't walk it on your arm.
Put that in if you like.
Cigarette. Give him a cigarette. Yeah. Do it on the fire.
Good. Beautiful. All right, do it again. Keep your head down. We got this on night scene, so we'll see how well it. Did you? Gee, that was.
And I already took.
We're having bacon and eggs this morning, and it's a beautiful day. Oh, did he? 6-kilometre walk through the bush, and we found a lovely little stream. And see his head? Look, he's in the footpath now. Away from us, I think. What a lovely lizard. And there's the lizard just by the tree. Dad would love this. They grow right along the path, different colours, small one, lovely spot right on the river. And what a delightful... Be at the airport within the hour, so.
Do you feel like you haven't had a full 3 weeks?
He's got the trolley for all the baggage.
My boy, my God, what a race for this fireman.
You see, you can move there.
Yeah, okay. Oh, it's wet. Oh, I hate those fences.
So,
The dog just said, oh, your pup sounds terribly hello.
and we've had to cancel our trip.
It's not very long. It's not long to Christmas.